Hello everyone, welcome back to llenacrafts. So today we are doing another junk journal page, and it's going to be junk journal page number 4. So let's just open up and jump right into it. And these are all the pages that we've done already, and so we're here with it. So we're going to be decorating this page today. I already have my layout set. I have my things to the side, so we're just going to jump right in. And so for the very back portion, what we're going to be using is this. I really like the look of this page with the pearls and everything. The pearls are not necessarily going to show too much, just this part, but I really do like this. So I think I'm going to put this right around here. I'm just using my glue stick for that. And for this junk journal page, I'm really focusing on like I guess flowers, pink flowers to be exact. Just gonna put this here. Add a little here. Okay. And the next thing that I want to do I think is put my dolly. Instead of putting it at the top this time, I really wanted to put it at the bottom. I think that that would be super cute. And of course, when you're doing these, you know, you can put these things wherever you want, wherever speaks to you. Just put mine here. And this is different because I always put mine at the top. The next thing that we're going to do is actually, I have this scrap piece of cardstock from a journal that I'm going to be uploading like before this as well, a floral journal that I did, and so I really wanted to use this to just make a quick little pocket right here that you can stick stuff into. So I'm just going to use double-sided tape to do that. And always save your scrap pieces of paper because you can use them for anything, like anything. I use scraps to make pockets. I use scraps, you know, for decoration, to make little tuck-in spots. Don't waste anything. Okay, so we're just gonna place this here. That's perfect. We have a little tuck-in spot there. Okay, so the next portion of this is going to be this cute little angular piece of paper that I cut. It's supposed to go like this to create a second belly band right there. Yeah, and we're just gonna attach this. It is going over a little bit into this page, but I don't really care about that. So you use double-sided tape. I did this because I just didn't want to do a pocket that goes like, you know, across the bottom. I wanted to do something different, and I really like having the belly bands. I think those are super cute, so I decided to go with that. Just gonna right. And now we have another little tuck-in spot here that we could put anything in. And I love the contrasting flowers on this. Yes, so the next thing we're going to do is our stickers. Not too many stickers this week. It's just gonna be one here. I love like the look on her face. It's just kind of like, why am I here? So I wanted to do that. And I wanted to do this sticker here, just a more defined floral piece. And then we're also going to use this cute little sticker, and I just wanted to put that here, and it just has some music notes on it, and I thought that that was cute. All of my stickers seem to be cooperating today. I love that for me. And there, that's that. And of course, from the same album that I did, I have these two little cards that I made, cut out, how you want to say it. And I'm just going to use these to tuck in. So this one I'm going to tuck in this way. I feel like that's nice, pretty cool. And then I'm going to do this one here. Now, you don't have to use these for this. You can also use them for like cards. I also have like this card here that came from the same paper pack that you can tuck in here. That'll be cute too. You could tuck multiple cards in here, like so. I think I'll have it like that. Yeah, like I like having belly bands because they really do make all the difference when it comes to your little you know, tuck-ins and stuff like that. And you can tuck multiple in here as well. So we'll put that to the side for now, because of course we need to put our space where we date. And so on this side of our last paper, we had used this clip. Pick it up. This clip and this. So we're just gonna make this work overtime for us, and we're gonna put this here on this side and clip it, and use the clip on this side to also hold something, which is going to be this page for dating. And so we have them on both sides using one clip, and you didn't have to use multiple things. And here I'm just gonna tuck all this stuff back in. Also move it to this side so we could see her face more, see how uninterested she is. And yeah, or we could just take this out altogether and just have this, or take out that one and just have that. Literally, you could just do whatever you want. I'm gonna leave this here, and this I'm gonna put here because literally it's just like, why not, you know? And just show her a little bit. And that is going to be junk journal page number 4. You know, we have our pocket in the back, we have a journaling space all the way in the back here, and we have our little dating section, a little dolly here just to give it some frills and a little bit of cuteness. We added our stickers, and that's it for me. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know the type of things that you like to add to your junk journal, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.